Hi, it's Tom from Porsche Stratum. Today I am in the 2018 BMW M4. Very cool car, sounds great. This one's a coupe, two-door. Lots of carbon fiber if you're into that. It's only got just over 37,000 miles on it, so decent miles, not too bad. You do have the paddle shifters there and there. This is your infotainment display. It's really hard to see with the sunlight, but it's all there. You got navigation, obviously radio, communication, all that kind of stuff. Down here, your climate controls. You do have heated seats for the driver and passenger. Cup holders and some extra storage down in there. Shifter. And then this is actually where you go to control everything that goes on up here on the infotainment display. Like I said, lots of carbon fiber. There's carbon fiber trim, well, here and up here on the dashboard. The roof is also carbon fiber, so that makes it a little bit lighter and a little bit more performance-y, as you know, because it's an M4, it's gotta be performance. Good speakers, you have the Harman Kardon speakers in here. Nice M4 seats. They're kind of weird looking, but I like them. And they're very comfortable, which usually you don't get that with racing seats. Usually they're pretty uncomfortable. Back seat, decent legroom considering it have the size of the car. You do have room back there for a passenger or two. So you definitely have some space back there. Worst case, you can use it as storage, things like that. But really cool car. It's very clean on the inside and outside. Well taken care of. This was a trade-in from a good customer of ours, so we know that he took care of his cars. And yeah, so if you have questions about it, or if you'd like to set up a time to test drive, give me a call. My number is 603-775-4082. Or you can visit our website, PorscheStratum.com, and inquire to us through there. You can also see our full inventory. Thank you.